I don't know how to play this game.
Ow! Fucking wave your drive.
Okay. Oh, okay, I got it. Oh, I got it. No!
Gotta jump. No.
Damn, this thing is like fully auto.
No, get off.
Yes.
Jared?
Yes.
Jared? Get off this stage.
No! No! Son of a bitch.
Yeah. Yeah, no, shut up.
Ow.
Go back. Go back.
Forgot to drop it.
Yes.
No, you froze me, you son of a
Okay,
bitch!
that's
how you drop kick.
No. No!
Oh, I knocked someone off. Hey,
No.
oh, I'm down.
We need to stop them where they are.
Why are you going after me? Shit, I paused it.
Oops.
The boomerang is so cool.
Ow! Alright guys, next game I'm recording it.
Get frozen.
Push him down.
What? Oh my god, he bite blocked me.
Did I freeze you by accident? Cocksucker. I froze you by accident, Sharon.
Get away. Get away from me.
Stop. I have
Brandon.
No,
The not greatest rapper of all time.
Come here, guys!
Over, Anakin.
Come here, Robert!
Oh,
It's
no.
over. I have the high ground.
Yeah, let's go. 460, let's go.
I just killed
Eat my
both of them.
wood!
That's gotta be good.
Eat my
Boomerang is really good.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Run away from the boomerang. Ow.
I got you both down.
Come
No!
back.
Get up! Get up! Get up! Jared, he has two. We can't let him win. You fool!
Do I have to? Oh, I thought I had one.
He has two. We can't let him win.
Oops.
Oh my god, he does have two. Damn. My coins are out. I'm waiting for it to
Okay,
refill.
here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Oh
I'm ready
my
to roll.
gosh. No. Why?
Get off my
Why'd you do
stage.
this?
Get off my stage. Get off my
Eat my
stage.
bomb.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
No!
Oh
I'm
shit.
gonna
He's
die.
gonna win. He's gonna win.
I think I died.
How do I
died.
climb? I don't know how to climb.
Oh shit.
We both got.
Plunger! Get your ass over here, bitch! Wait. Ow! The plunger! You! You're my pet! You don't care! You're my pet!
Come here.
Pet. You're my pet! You're my pet!
Jared.
You're my...
Oh shit. That came out of nowhere.
No, no! You... We're not trying to kill you! Ow!
No.
That's awesome.
You really would let Jug Nuts win.
Oh! Ah! Ah!
Picture, what?
Yeah, it takes a picture at the end, you see.
I can't get up! This is mine! I can't get it up! Go! Let me...
Shit.
Get. I forgot.
Oh gosh. Oh, what is this? I'm going in.
No, the bat.
I'm going. Goodbye, guys.
Shit! Shit!
I'll see you later.
Oh, it's
Bye, guys.
Oh god!
I took the rocket. I took the rocket.
You son of a bitch!
Whoever threw that bomb at me, I hate you.
I did.
I just threw a bomb, just putting that.
No,
there.
what? What happened? Oh,
Rocket takes too long.
oh
I know. I took it.
How do I have survival?
Yes, it was awesome. I knew it was gonna kill me, but I was just ready.
Yeet! What? That was a shitty throw.
Oh shit, this was gonna kill me.
I went through the propellers!
the rocket just blew you both off.
I was trying to get back on this. I was trying to go back. Oh my god.
Swim.
I think. Oh my god, it
Uh-oh.
is!
For a second, yeah, there you
Zach,
go.
climb,
You're right.
Zach, climb, Zach, climb.
Hey, get away! You're the ocean guy. You should go back down there. I'm not. You're the ocean guy. You're the ocean
You're
guy.
Godzilla.
Yes!
Nautical,
Yes! Get down!
nautical
Get back outta here.
nonsense.
Dude, this stone shit sucks.
You're the ocean guy, get out of here.
Yeah, that's not very good.
You're the ocean guy, get out of here. No, nah, brah. You're the guy
That's
literally
true.
named Nautic.
Not your mom.
You're literally named Nautic. Get out of here.
Nautical rookie clue.
Oh, damn, that was... Yeah, go for it, Zach. Go for the salad. You're the winner.
Oh, there he goes. There he goes, boys. We're the winners. We're the winners. I'm gonna drown too. Go
Oh
up.
my gosh.
Go up.
Duck
Go
probably
on.
wins because he's been on it longer.
Go up. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think Duck wins.
Yeah, duck
I'm above water.
Wait, how is he still alive?
I
Yo,
don't
hey.
understand.
normally. No, get off my plane.
No.
I don't like the submarine.
You
The submarine's kind of weird.
in a battle. Whoever keeps throwing stuff at me, you're not a very nice guy.
Not very nice game. Dude, submarine's kind of iffy.
Oh, get up.
Oh,
Get up. He's
you
foolish.
fly off. Stay away from me. Pick up the. There you go. Uh-oh.
Oh shit! Come on!
Run.
Oh, okay, we're good. We're good. No need to panic.
Submarine's
No need to
going
panic.
down.
No need to panic.
Get up
No
there.
need to panic.
Come on.
No need to
Oh,
panic.
darkness, my old friend.
There's 4 of us still alive.
Brandon, you Brandon, you scumbag. Brandon,
Dino
you
versus
scum.
Dino.
You're scum.
Oh man, why am I in there?
It's Dino versus Dino.
Bad.
This dude
I'm the real
really
Godzilla
ran and took
bitch.
me off just to
You're
kill
mine.
himself just to
You're
kill me.
soulless. Run away.
I'm literally not even a threat.
Oh no.
That's a missile.
No, bad Jared. No. Oh,
They're straight up launching an ICBM, bro.
Getting revenge.
I feel like this is
Getting
happening.
revenge.
Hey,
Yes, Jared.
I'm dead.
Target him, Jared.
Great.
I'm on your team.
Hey! Oh shit, the rocket's gonna take us off. Oh my dungeon back. Ah! Stop it!
Yes. Yes.
Oh shit. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. Run away.
How do I
Can
jump
you
so
help me
fast?
out? Help me out!
Bad.
Oh fuck
There
you,
we go.
Robert.
I didn't do nothing to you, Brandon. That was the rocket.
Come on. Come on. I literally
Zach,
have
you
one
are
part.
an asshole!
No.
I'm still alive. Damn it. Uh-oh. Yeah, the bombs are kind of hard to hit on this one. Okay. Bad.
It's
Make
over,
Godzilla.
Andy.
Bye.
I have the high ground.
Oh, I don't
Shit.
like this. I really like this. We're screwed.
Hold on, just hold on. Yes. I'm safe.
Good luck, Gavin. Good luck,
Get out of here,
Gavin. You
boys.
win.
Get out of here.
It's
Wait.
mine. You're going down with me, Robert.
No.
I go through these wood. Climb. Climb. Yes.
Cats-
Woo.
Cats can't swim. Cats can't swim.
Nobody's close.
Someone hit
Got
me.
it, bitch.
I died.
I
I
got
died.
you.
It's all good.
I
It's
got
all
I
good.
figured it out.
Alright, hey, I'm cool as long as you are. I'm cool as long as you are. Not you, or Zachary, you bitch.
Ow! Ashley,
And I'm
please,
dead.
You son of a bitch! Fatality.
Bad, Brandon. Bad. Get off my shit.
No, you son of a bitch.
Dude, how do you get back up?
Okay, so hold right trigger, left trigger, and then press A.
I'm going in! Roll it again! up to it.
Get up.
Marky, and just
Get
push
up.
Y to jump
He's
up.
targeting me.
Get up, bitch!
Oh my god. I've been
I'm
struggling
dead.
this entire time
think I
just to get
just
back
sunk.
up on the map.
I think I just sunk Captain Soul. Be my captain.
Come on. This is gonna be the comeback of the century. Oh, yes.
But, Asher, you're supposed to hold left or right trigger and press A. Just
I
grab it.
literally do. It just doesn't work.
Marky, you get to it, then push
I
Y
do,
to time
dude.
up.
Just kills me.
Is it Y for you to jump? Whatever your jump button is.
It's
Yes.
Y to jump for me.
That's A.
Yeah,
to
it's
jump
Y for me as well.
So
switched
I
it.
hold right trigger and hit Y.
Oh, I had to hold
That's
left
fine.
trigger and right trigger. What the hell is he doing?
I hope he loses grip and flies off.
No! Get
That's a bomb.
Come alive!
That's a bomb.
He's alive still.
Zach, you son of a bitch.
I'm out.
Damn it, I died.
Just knock him off.
You're going
You
down
guys,
with me.
you guys really let Zach win this. Out of all the people, you guys let Zach win.
No. No.
That was not me. That was not me.
I'm outta here.
I'm telling you the truth. That was.
Oh, I'm sorry. Jared.
Feathered brothers
I'm
need to
sorry,
stick together. White feathered brothers need to stick together.
Jared, I'm sorry. That was unfortunate. Seriously. Get in there, fool. Hey, we don't have to worry about Zach anymore. He's sleeping with the
That's the way I
Rockets.
like it.
Come on, Ash, I believe you.
Oh.
Fine. I'm your trainer. Fine. I believe in you.
I already got it. Oh my
Oh,
god.
Jared, you're still alive.
I just
Yep, I'm still alive.
Uh,
No!
Oh, God.
Stop it! You piece of shit!
Robert has a big old thing that is kind of.
Oh, is that you I'm chasing? Sorry, I'm stopped.
No, it's fine.
I'm gonna hit Jared
The
then.
big old thing. I can't pull me away from it.
Oh,
Get out of here.
jeez.
Get out of here, Brandon.
Oh,
no!
How?
Yeah,
I'm
dude.
tired of
But
being
how?
targeted. I don't
That makes
appreciate
I
it.
knocked out on my own boomerang, bro.
I didn't know you could do that.
Brandon,
after
you
use
piece
sprint
of
block.
shit!
So press your jump button as you're
I already
walking
got
on.
it. I already know. I already.
Okay, cool.
As
long as you got
it's
it.
just Y.
Hang on.
And you're telling me A.
Yeah, Ace jump for me. That's shit. My bad.
eh,
So you can customize it.
Oh
Oh!
This is too hard to get people out of here.
Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh. Me and Gab
drown.
go down.
Get up.
Shit.
Get up!
No, you don't anymore!
Oh no.
I knocked
Asher's
myself
gone.
out!
Bye, Brandon!
Oh my god.
Someone
I keep
knocked you
getting
out.
knocked out by everybody and everything.
Oh,
I'm still alive!
no, I'm dead.
up. Get up!
Eat that
Get up!
foot.
Let me win!
I died.
I'm dead.
Let me win!
I'm dead.
Let me win! I'm gonna
Eat my
win!
foot.
He wins.
Ah, yes! Ah! Swim! Ah.
Yeah, he won. Oh, I'm dead, dead.
Yes,
I
that's what
lost.
we like to see, boys. Gosh,
My pitcher.
I'm the winner.
Yeah. Yeah. Go, Randy.
Oh! Right, I'm gonna kick your ass. Oh. No! No! I'm dead. Someone kill Brandon, quick.
This is rigged. This is rigged. Robert's
Yo,
people are
Brandon.
flying the plane.
What am I hearing?
It's Brandon going off. Brandon
You
with the
better
bomb.
post that laugh on your YouTube.
Get him! Yes! Good job, Gavin.
Sit still and do nothing.
Oh, no. I don't want this. Oh, I got this, I guess.
Over, Anakin. High ground.
Oh god.
Oh, sorry, Garrett.
I don't know why I'm glowing red, but I am.
You got a boost. Oh, gosh.
No!
No!
I'm gonna take you back to your people in the
Uh-oh.
cockpit.
Zach, leave me alone. Wait.
It's
They just went down together.
Go down together.
Not again.
Oh my god.
Oh, jeez. Oh my gosh, this plane. I can't even hit you.
Tell your people to fly
Damn
better,
it.
damn it.
I wish they would. They're not made to fly though, remember.
We're gonna go onto the tower.
Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Stop
Oh,
fighting.
this looks intimate. Get up. Get up.
No.
Sorry about that.
Oh, it's freezing.
Uh-oh.
Have you never seen Iron Man?
Oh yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Oh. Who's gonna get? Oh
No!
Yeah, that
Get
was
up.
me.
Get up. Get up.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yes! Yes!
The comeback victory. It's just so fun.
This game is really intense.
Whoa.
This game is so serious, dude. So very, very, very
Fuck you,
intense.
Jared.
Oh gosh, I'm dead. T-Rex
No, you
down.
son of a bitch! Get off of me! Get off of me! Out of it!
I got you, buddy. Let's go together.
No. Stay away from me.
Run!
I was
Run!
helping you.
No! No! You cocksuckers!
How did that
Not
not
to
hit
get
him?
the pan
There
out.
we go.
Stop the man with the
Already
pan!
freezing? It's already freezing.
Take that.
Get
Bad.
up. Get
Get out of here.
Yes.
Get out of here.
Stop hitting me with the pan!
You need a ranged weapon for the guy with the fan, man. It's like the only way to stop it.
I'm just shooting the arrows. I don't care. Everyone's getting a piece of it.
No!
Oh no!
I got him.
I don't know what to do with this.
No, not again, Gavin. You said
I'm not even doing anything. What are you talking about?
you with that pan.
Oh, okay.
What did I get hit by?
Oh, it
Tase.
tases me
You
too if
touch
I
a
get
guy
close
that's
to you.
Oh, okay. I didn't know
If
that.
you touch a guy that's tased, you get tased.
Gavin, get away from me!
Quit your crap.
Come here, Jared.
Get away from me. No, leave me alone.
I killed someone
Actually,
just to get.
sorry
No!
about that. Wrong person. Oh,
It's hereditary.
I'm still alive. It's hereditary. Come back, you ape.
Oh,
Tell the ape. Oh, I kicked
No.
your duck by accident.
yeah, I'll let you guys just finish your revenge. Like, get your revenge on each other since you've
Oh,
been beefing the entire
I
time.
haven't won at all.
dead. I win.
Brandon, you won the first one.
Yeah, you won the first.
Still.
Quit your shit.
Dude, this is
They
so
do
hard to
some
land.
jumps. Dude, it's so hard when they start turning.
Get away!
No.
Yeah, she's coming. The plane's
Oh my gosh.
No.
Yes.
No!
I win. Let's go. My first win.
Nunchucks are pretty strong.
Increasingly amount of people that can't.
Turbine.
We can't
Oh.
let win.
Oh, oh, oh.
Remember when you targeted me and threw me off?
Oh, Josh, what time is it, Josh?
No! You killed me!
Oh, my hard work to kill Jared just went down
Go
the
ahead.
drain.
Go away. Go away. Get away from me.
Gavin, if it makes you feel better, I was going for the freaking dinosaur.
Oh no, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
And I just jump off.
Sorry.
Call me
I get
Popeye
excited.
because I'm roided up.
It's custom game too, so that's fine.
Growth on Roy.
No!
So it's like all five.
No. Bye, Brandon.
Bomb incoming.
Oh my god, this
Oh.
thing weapons.
Bye
Oh, no.
guys. Good luck. Oh no.
Jared, we gotta get him
Take
so
a
we can win. One of us
Get
gotta
a
win.
range
You guys are
weapon.
right back.
We gotta
Get
team
a
up.
ranged weapon. Ranged weapon, the spinning gag.
Oh.
No!
Like a taser. Or a super kick.
Damn, that bomb.
That bomb was really close.
I know, I almost had that.
No! No!
Oh shit, you won that
Oh.
round.
Damn. At least nobody wins. At least nobody wins. I'll take it.
So hard. I'm gonna go get a tree.
Oh my god, down to the ankle.
No! No!
Gavin got the
Asher.
ankle.
Through the darkest sky, you'll behold the light, like a crying for the moon. Never ending well, forgot